Did you know that this feline friend has a mind-blowing cleaning routine? The last steps will blow your mind. But first, like and subscribe to my channel if you love cats. Step 1, deep clean. Gotta look fresh, even if I just napped for 6 hours. I gotta reach this one. Existential crisis loading. Hey, whatever. Nap time? See you in. Beyond 5 to 10 business hours. The cycle repeats. Forever. Like and subscribe to my channel if you love cats. The impossible spot. A yoga level expert. Wait, what was I doing? Whoa, almost wiped out. But I'm a pro. No one saw that, right? Who am I?